Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Its colors name: blue color, yellow color, yellow ochre color, red color, green color, black color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids now draw G. G for God, G for glass. Kids now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H, and use yellow ochre color. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw M. M for moon. N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O, and use green color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids again use green color and draw Q. Q for queen. Kids now draw R. R for rose, and again use green color. Kids now draw S. S for sun, S for snake. The alphabets of S, and use black color. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. Kids now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V, and use blue color. W. W for wolf. Kids again use blue color and draw X. X for X-ray. Kids now draw Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.